Is your drawer difficult to open? Does it get stuck when you are trying to use it? Then you probably need to replace your drawer slides. First, push or pull the plastic lever on your drawer slides, depending on your model, to take out the drawer completely. Make sure to do this on both drawer slides at the same time. Remove the screws from the drawer to take off the old drawer members. Adjust the old cabinet members to see the screws, then remove them and take off the old cabinet members. Now, open your new drawer slides. Push or pull the plastic lever to separate the drawer member and cabinet member. You can test locking and unlocking this mechanism a few times to become familiar with how it works. Attach the new drawer members to the drawer sides, making sure the direction is correct. Make sure to put the direction of the new cabinet members properly and then attach them to the side panels. The stopper goes on the back. Lift your drawer to align the drawer member and cabinet member on both sides at the same time and push it in place until you hear a click. Now enjoy your smooth drawer that works like brand new. I just want to take the time to say thank you all for watching. All of you are the only reason videos like this exist, and I really hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.